Yesterday I took a closer look at the Lightning McQueen monster truck from, of course, the factory customizers / AliExpress / wherever they really do come from. Today I'll be taking a close look at Jackson Storm. So here he is. He looks pretty cool. There is no packaging for him. Yep, he's got a very nice determined expression. His mouth is actually filled in. Very nice. Got the same front bumper as Lightning McQueen. He's got the IGN GR logos on the top. He's got Hamilton, I guess, headlights for some reason. If you don't know what I mean, go watch Cars 3. He's got, of course, the blue stripe on the top too, which looks pretty cool. He's got a lot of dust on him already because this is an old factory custom. He's got 2.0, piston cup, combustion carbon fiber synergy, nice suspension, very nice, light gear tyres, nice blue, very nice engine down there. His spoiler is in this very nice blue, so it reminds me of the silver release. You can actually read the writing. Hasn't got no window bars, but those are the roof flaps. On the back, he of course is no longer a rookie. You can see 2.0. There's the back. And again, just like McQueen, there is nothing at all on the base, but he is die-cast. And of course, he's got that same feature. If you pull him back, it makes that weird noise. So that is all for the Jackson Storm. I do want to compare him to the rubber tyre release in 2018. As you can see, there is no blue bit on the spoiler. This one has window bars, whereas this one doesn't. And of course, the headlights are completely silver and blue, whereas the headlights on this are just blue. On the side, got the Storm logo. You can see the rubber tyres. This one has no fuel cap though, I've noticed. That is a mistake by the factory customizers. I just thought I'd quickly show him to the steel blue Jackson Storm, which is a Toys R Us exclusive to Malaysia. He's a bit dusty, but we can see the blue on him compared to the blue on the spoiler. That is literally the only bit that I wanted to compare him to. So now I'll go show his XOS Mud Racer version. So here is this weird Jackson Storm next to the XOS versions. One is Vietnam, I believe this is the Vietnam one, and this is the China one. We can see, of course, the differences. The XOS is swapped over. Still got the blue, of course, muddy details, monster truck. Sides, you can see the brims are completely different. The back still reads 2.0. Yep. So yeah, that does end today's video on, of course, the Jackson Storm. Very, very nice. I will take a close look at cruiser errors sometime, maybe tomorrow or whenever I get the chance. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, of course, and subscribe, all that stuff. To the next video, peace everybody.